Don't. Come on.
Let me go, let me go, let me go!
Stop. Don't.
No, no, no!
Stop.
I hate you.
Stop.
Animal cruelty.
Not. Dude, you're fine.
I hate you.
You do not hate me.
Jerk.
I'm a jerk.
Yeah.
Oh, that was quick. You know, if you just stopped fighting, it'd be a lot easier. Could you do that for me?
No.
Nice.
Help.
Now you sound like Gibson. I think I let you watch too much YouTube videos. Not hurting you. We're almost done, dude. Alright? Alright.
How do you like it? Making you a bath. Huh? You want a bath?
Dude! Chill out!
I hate you.
You love me.
No.
Yes, you do. It's just water. It's because I love
Stop. Stop. I promise I'll go in the litter box. Help.
you. Okay, Gibson.
Jerk. Stop. Alright.
Dude.
I think if there were fleas, that they're gone.
Okay, maybe I don't see any fleas.
See? I hate you.
You don't hate me.
You suck.
I'm almost done.
Man. Let me go! Let me go!
Stop it.
Fine.
I'm serious.
Fine.
Okay?
Okay.
Butthead.
Just rinse me off.
I
I
am.
think I'm clean.
Trying to.
Bring me fleas in the first place.
They went down the drain.
I'm free! Suckers!
You're such a butthead. I gotta dry you off.
Open the door. Now.
No, you're too wet. Let me dry you off. Come here. That wasn't so bad, was it? Hmm?
Yeah.
You're okay. See?
Okay, let me out now.
Alright, dude. Hang on. Let me just wash you off the rest of the way. Between your ears and your nose. And your eyes.
I'm dry.
Almost done. Okay? It wasn't that bad.
Yeah, okay, let
Because
me
I
out.
love you.
I'm dry.
Go lay down. Go on your bed. You're all wet.
Bedroom. I'm gonna poop on your pillow. It's because I love you.
Dude, you're such a butthead.